Hey y'all, this is Bitty Boo, aka Dana, and tonight I'm doing an open invite challenge with Creative Lauri over at Creative Lauri, and she wanted us to do a spring collage or whatever we thought spring meant to us. Well, to me, spring generates new life, flowers, and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do, I've got a bird cage. She said it had to be something you could see through. So we're going to see what we can make to get a collage going, maybe. I always thought collage was pictures, but anyway, we're going to try this. I've got a bunch of greenery and some florals. So here we go. Part of this stuff was from my Valentine, but I picked springy colors for Valentine's because I just like spring colors. So we're going to stick some flowers in here. See if we can get this to going. Okay. Let's see if I can get that rose to open up. I may get it open too far. May mess it up. That'll work. We got another rose here. Right back. Well, I said I would. I'm going to try to get it right back there. I have to cut it down a little bit more. Yeah, maybe cut it down a little bit. It's not wanting to cooperate. Keep cutting on this and I ain't gonna have nothing left. Okay, we got a pink there, and a pink there. We'll do one more pink. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it so I don't have that much problem with it. Again, I am not a floral artist, by no means. Okay, get those two. I'll go right through there with that. Maybe you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I want some ivy. Here's some ivy. I just want to get that styrofoam covered up, or oasis, whatever the heck you call it. Here's another piece of ivy. Put it right there. Okay, we got another piece of ivy. We're going to go right over here with it. rose. I gotta get something right there in the very front because it's got a big holler spot. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Grab some more blue. Stick that in there, and I will try to figure out how to fast forward this, y'all, so that you're not stuck watching my slow rump doing things. We got some white roses here. Let's see if we can get some of them in there. If I can get it to go on the I don't think that's gonna look right. No, that ain't gonna look right. Okay. Alright, I just got some of this American moss. I'm going to try to finagle a little nest out of it. I think I'm just breaking it to pieces. That may work. It kind of looks like a little nest, don't it? We're going to put it right there. Let's throw some more greenery in there. We got to get that moss covered. That styrofoam covered up. If I had some regular moss, I'd use it, but I don't have any that I know of. So I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to stick that right there. Does my styrofoam look covered to y'all? Okay, now I've got this little bird. I'm gonna put it right there. Maybe you can see that. Okay, alright y'all, I do not have any little bird eggs. But what I do have is marbles from my Chinese checkers. So let's see. the white ones look the closest to eggs. 1, 2. Yeah, that one sunk down in there, so we're going to do it like that. Again, I didn't go buy nothing, Lauri. I used what I had. My marbles don't really look like eggs, but they're going to have to work. I wish I had the stuff to make a bow to put on top, but I don't. So, now, it's time for me to close my little cage up. I had to make a little makeshift lever because this little lever was kind of broke. So anyway, let me get this set in place and I'll show y'all what I came up with. Be back in just a minute. How do I pause? Okay. I can't really see what y'all are seeing, so anyway, this is how my little collage turned out. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, Lauri, for hosting this challenge. And brain fart. Anyway, thank you for hosting this challenge. And let me tell you, it was a challenge because I was like, I don't have anything. I don't have anything. And then I was like, what can I do the bird egg out of? I thought, well, the only thing I have is the marbles. So it's marbles. Thank y'all. I love you each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye.